What is up? I just want to talk about quickly what is one of the number one things that happens with entrepreneurs that have amazing ideas. Big ass ideas that they want to change the world with, but the world isn't ready. This happened to me a few times, and it's basically the idea that what a business is supposed to do, so what entrepreneurs are building, because they're building businesses, business is supposed to solve a solution. No, provide a solution. Solve a problem, which is either providing joy or avoiding pain for somebody, right? Because we're always communicating with people, and this is how how a business works. You need to be providing some kind of value, but people say value and they can mean a shit ton of things, but it's basically providing a solution to a specific problem. I know when I was doing my first creating my first businesses or building and organizing events, a lot of times it was just for the fact that it was cool. I did not even have what solution I'm providing in mind. Luckily, it worked just through awareness and this aspect of it being cool. But it would have been even more impactful had I understood what solution I'm bringing and marketed it that way. Because businesses they work in two ways: good marketing and with innovation. That's how they grow. So you need to understand what the value is, and it's in providing a solution to a specific problem. And oftentimes you have these amazing ideas. You're like, yes, I want to build this app. I want to build this company because it's fucking awesome and I would love to see it on the streets or in people's hands. But not really understanding why. What does that solve? What does that help people with? Generally, you can think about businesses providing value or solving problems in two ways, which is either saving people time or money. So saving them time or giving them more time, or saving them money or helping them make more money. This is what people give the most shits about in business, and can most often be every business can be tracked back to those two things, as well with the overall arcing theme of happiness and basically being more joyful, because that's what people want. But they communicate it in either having more time because they think they'll be more happy that way. Now we're having more money because the same thing, being more happy. I mean, yes, more money, more happiness. That's what people think. That's how society is built, especially capitalism. And I'm not the type of person that's just going to go change capitalism, so I'm going to play to the system right now and also build something awesome, because I want to do that as an entrepreneur, to build something that's amazing, but is actually providing a solution to a problem that a person has. This has been the biggest revelation for me, because I got a business mentor coach, enrolled in a program that helped me define my ideal customer, understand what problems they are actually facing, and then create that solution. Before I was just doing life coaching, right? And life coaching is just cool because it gives people perspectives and new insights, but I didn't see what solution I was actually providing until I defined my specific customer and what problems they face, what struggles do they go through in their daily life, and what do they want. And yeah, to be fully transparent with you right now, my ideal client is somebody that's like me, because I attract people who are similar to me, who have amazing, massive ideas, and they want to make them a reality. But since they're so massive, it can be hard to dissect this big vision, this big rainbow of different colors, and understand what does each of the colors of the rainbow mean, to be able to create a step-by-step process that would then help them work towards it more effectively. Because when you have a big goal, oftentimes you don't know what this next step is, and you can't jump before you learn to walk. And that's what the steps need to happen. That's what steps you need to take. You need to be able to learn to walk, to make those small steps so that you can then run faster and faster and increase the momentum to then reach the end goal, which also needs to be super clearly defined and be providing a solution. That's what I learned recently. And I really wanted to express because it was a really cool idea, I think, and I was never focused on this providing a solution aspect. I was just focused on building awesome things. And yeah, that's also amazing, but having a solution to a person's problem, which is making them happier, but in the form of potentially time or money, is the key. Let me know what you thought below. Love to hear your thoughts. If am I being completely wacko, or does this actually make sense to you? And yeah, what other ways can we provide value to people and help them grow their entrepreneurial business? Let me know. Ciao.